Mountain Man.
Good morning.
What are we doing today, Mountain Man?
Are we doing two things in this video, or are we doing one thing in this video?
No, we're doing two things.
We're doing two things? Well,
yeah. Or do you want to just split it? Because I feel like the other one is going to be short anyway.
Alright, so we could just do it in one. So today, we're going to be, well, we're doing three things. We're eating at the Metro Diner right now.
Metro?
If you live in the Huntsville area, or if they're anywhere else, because I don't know if they're anywhere else, I highly recommend the Metro Diner. It's a great place. Get the cinnamon roll pancakes. They're delicious. Back to what else we're doing today. We're doing two other things.
Okay.
We're going to Cathedral Caverns, and we're going to be going to Ditto Landing to do some evening fishing. So yeah, two things today. Hopefully they go smooth. Hopefully they go how we want them to go.
Hopefully the caverns will go smooth.
Hopefully. I don't know if we have to get a tour or not, but we're gonna see when we get there.
Is Ditto Landing the one where they close at like 6?
They close at 8 today.
Oh, they close at 8 today?
Hopefully we catch some fish at night, see some caves during the day. Have a nice day out. We're setting our roots.
There's the roots.
We're finding our place.
Finding our place, okay.
Settling in. Northern Alabama, guys. Welcome. I welcome you as it welcomes me, as I was welcomed in the world by the grace of God.
Okay, so yeah, when the food gets here, I'll show you a quick overview of what we got.
And stick around for the adventures.
Yeah, and stick around for the adventures.
We're gonna have some fun today.
I'm gonna catch another fish today.
She caught a fish yesterday, but we weren't really making a full video. But
yeah, I'll insert my fish picture.
Make sure you're watching our
channel.
No, what are those videos you make?
Our vlogs? What videos?
The recount.
Oh, recap. Make sure you watch our recap. Make sure you watch
the recap. There's very vital information in there. Lots of meals if you want to learn where to go eat.
Lots of walks.
Lots of walks. Lots of eating, restaurants, and that's about it. But
yeah.
It's important, so
check it out.
Check it out.
Alright, so I have the chicken and waffles. Fried chicken. Super crispy. I've got nice fluffy waffles over here. They gave this strawberry butter, but I'm not going to use it. And then what did you get, Dad?
The Bissell breakfast. Vista and some cinnamon roll pancakes.
How is it? Good? Shout out to Romney, because I think Romney likes, doesn't he like waffles? Yeah, chicken and waffles. So shout out to Romney. Oh, wow. We're back.
With a change of plans.
What's the change of plans? You explain it.
We couldn't go to the Cathedral Caverns because we need to have a tour. And to get the tour, you have to buy tickets at least 2 days in advance, which today's not 2 days. So we're somewhere else. We're at the Montesano State Park, and we're going to be doing the Alms House Trail to these like 3 little cave things, I think.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see those caves instead, and we're able to bring the freak with us here. Mr. Freak.
He's super freaky.
So we're gonna see how these caves stack up against the other caves that we've never seen.
Let's see. Let's take you on the journey down here. Look how cool this is. It's just a bunch of rock with pools of water.
And a gross worm thing. Did you kill it?
No, I put it in the water. Look at this worm.
Oh, look.
Ah!
Ew.
Ew, what is that? I was just sitting here.
Ew.
I was just sitting here. Can you, wait, wipe me? Because, like, I don't know if there's something on me now.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Ew. Comment down below if you know what kind of thing that is. Is that like a caterpillar of some sort? Or what is that?
Come here.
What is it?
I don't know. Something poisonous. Deadly.
I literally just sat here and this thing just shows up. That's just gross. Oops. Come over here. We're going over here.
Oh boy.
What do you mean, oh boy?
I almost just ended my life.
Wait, how is he gonna get down there?
Go. You can do it, chum.
Definitely don't know what kind of mushrooms these are. Definitely don't want to touch them or eat them. If you know what kind of mushrooms these are, comment down below. Let us know.
We just found the world's oldest bridge, and we're gonna cross it.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
What is it?
Ooh, I just killed it. Ooh, 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 look at that, y'all. Hold on. Let me focus. There's a bug on me, and I just got its blood on me.
Cross the bridge. Get over it. Come on. Not that way.
Cool. Look at that mossy water. Nasty water.
That's no Montana water.
Yeah, I don't want to taste that.
No?
No.
It's flavored.
Yeah, flavored like what?
You know how everyone always says,
Ay!
jump.
Anak ko. You just fell down?
No, he jumped down.
Ay, anak ko. Okay, hold on. Hold on, guys. Pause. Okay, back to our regular programming.
I was saying, you want to cut down your sugar intake. You want some flavored water, you just come to Alabama. You get some of this flavored.
Okay, what is the flavor?
Moss. Moss flavor. You haven't heard of that? It's the new thing.
I guess.
It's about to be. I'm going to make it the new thing.
Ew.
Just like hot honey.
These...
Now it's moss water. I mean, they're drinking, what is that? Kichava?
Kichava? You mean kombucha?
Kombucha. Drink some moss water.
Gross.
I'm sure that you could find some health benefits, some Hollywood people.
Okay, we'll Google it.
Benefits of moss water.
We'll Google it.
There's another one on that side.
Hello, creature. Is that a spider?
It looks like it, yeah.
Woo!
That's disgusting. We're there, guys.
I hope.
Oh, yeah.
Ow.
Look at this.
Oh.
Oh.
That's it? Wow. And are we allowed to get down there or no?
I don't know. I thought we could, but maybe not.
That's lame.
Maybe we gotta find a way.
Well, let's try walking down this way and see.
This rock climbed down the side, you know?
Yeah, so let's walk around and see where we can get down.
Come on, Charles.
So, I guess we're not allowed to enter to see the cave. It says no trespassing. No trespassing. cave number 1, cave number 2, and cave number 3. But we can't go down there. We're trapped. And yeah, that sounds like bees. And they kind of look like, oh yes, bees.
I didn't know we weren't able to go into them. That's pretty disappointing.
Yeah.
But you got to see at least what we saw.
Yeah. I wonder why.
Hoopla.
Hoopla.
So now we're gonna go back to the car and go to Ditto's Landing.
We're gonna pass through. We're gonna pass through all the nasty creatures that we've been passing through.
Every crazy little thing we just saw. The land crabs.
I was just telling Ian that everywhere he steps, something just emerges from the ground. Like, hello, I have awakened. How you doing? Good to know.
Come on. Hello there. We are currently at Ditto Landing. She's down there though. Now the fish seem to be like crazy active. We've just been kind of throwing some stuff for a little bit now, but they're like popping up everywhere, but I have not gotten any bites. It's just crazy. You can tell they're jumping up and eating. I'm throwing this frog. I believe she's throwing the frog too down there. And I'm sure if I just leave this on the lake for a little bit, I'll be able to see some action. Oh, there's one over there. You can see the ripple. They're just crazy active right now, but I haven't really gotten any bites. Oh, hello. So I'm gonna keep trying to throw this frog. I was throwing a spinner bait for a little bit, but that didn't really work, so I'm trying something on top water more. See if it works. Did you catch anything yet?
No. Well, I got like one bite that I found.